Alright, we're going to be cleaning this unit here today. See if I can straighten some of the teeth out on it. But yeah. Here we go. Squeegee some of this here, get some of the grass up, and we're going to do it. Got the grass knocked down. You know, we did a little bit around the unit. Swept up all the loose stuff around the unit. Now it's to open the top and start cleaning. On this outdoor unit, didn't use any chemicals, just water. Afraid to kind of use chemicals on it. It's kind of got some spots in it, but just water, brisk. Clean the inside. Shop vac. But yeah, just water. Got the drain holes open. But yeah, gonna hit it again with the water. See if I can get some more of that dirt off. Another thing that I did was tape up the top here to the panel. Even got the panel on there, but I put a bag over the panel. Don't want the electronics in the panel to get wet, capacitors and whatnot. But yeah, I'm gonna vacuum it out, cobwebs and stuff. Vacuum it out some more. Just to kind of press these guys. Okay. See what kind of motor he's got here. Yeah.